So we all know Paxful is full of scammers. Like, Paxful is no longer a safe place for you to buy and sell crypto. Although recently they blocked like hundreds, if not thousands, of accounts which were of scammers, but still Paxful is not really safe these days to use it to buy and sell, especially if you're a beginner. So this is why in today's video I've got an alternative for you. So I've got a platform for you, especially if you're in Zambia, or platform that you can actually use to buy and sell crypto easily. So there's no other than KeithFX, which is simply my platform where you can actually buy and sell crypto with a person that you actually trust. So my name is Keith and I've been buying crypto since 6 years ago, and I'm the most trusted person when it comes to buying and selling crypto in Zambia. So it's easy to use my platform. Okay, you're not going to be buying and selling crypto with other people, no. You're only going to be buying and selling the crypto directly with me, no other people. So all transactions will be through me, not through other people, whereby you start worrying about who to trust and who not to trust. So everything is done through me. So it's that easy. So click the link in the description right now to create an account. But for now, this is Keith.